Assalamu alaikum, this is Mubashir Mughal and the one liner of this session is goal setting. This is a bridge between imagination and reality, that we have set a goal, we set a target and we have some direction. To live life and to be happy, to enjoy our life, we must need a good plan, we must need a goal, we must need a direction. If you have dream, if you have imagination, then you must need to put them into reality, and to put them into reality you need to goal setting. Goal setting is a actually process to set your imagination into reality. So here I will talk about 5 steps that will help you for your goal setting. So the number one thing is, start with those things which you enjoy. Write it down, at least 5 things which you enjoy, and also write the 5 those things which you don't want to enjoy. Now you have write 5 things which you really enjoy and the 5 which you don't want to enjoy. Now the second step is, you have to pick one thing, a one goal in that 5 things, and define that goal, define that thing. Write a statement about this and define it, that what actually your goal, what your actually aim is. And the third step for that is, ask yourself a question, that why is this thing or this goal is so important for you. You must have to ask this question for you, that why. And if you have the answer, it means that you are clear about your goal. You must have to pick one thing, one goal, but be clear about that. Now what is the fourth thing? Fourth thing or fourth step is, break it down. Break your biggest goal to sub level. Set your sub goals on daily basis, on weekly basis. You cannot achieve anything which is so big without breaking it down. So break your goal down at sub level and set sub goals to get your biggest goal. And also define the limit, time frame in which you want to achieve that sub goal. And that sub goals should be relevant. Do not set sub goal which is not relevant with your big goal. Now last and 5th thing to set your goal is, whenever you achieve your sub goal, appreciate yourself, give yourself credit and celebrate that victory, so that you can remember that what you have achieved and what you want to achieve, because this thing will inspire you. If you don't have inspiration behind your goal, behind your sub goal, it means that you are getting nothing. You must have to give yourself credit, give yourself appreciation, because this is very important, that you have vision now, you have got passion, you have got your goal, you must have to appreciate. So what I have talked about, that number one thing is, start the things which you are enjoying, write it down, also those things which you don't like, and then pick a single thing. Third thing is, define it. Define your goal and be clear about that. Also ask yourself a question, that why it is so important for you. Fourth step is, break it down. Break your biggest goal down at sub level and set your sub goals. Fifth and last step is, appreciate yourself, give yourself credit and remember your goal on daily basis. If you are doing this, it means that you are not following the word. You have your own plan, because these 5 steps was your plan. Goal setting is actually mean that you create a plan to live your life. So must follow these steps. I hope this session will help you. If you think that this is an informative video, then please share with your friends, families. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.